Gonna go to Triumph for a test drive.
This one is interesting.
Very nice. Well done, 400. Well done. Scrambler time, 400X. Little beast, very popular here and elsewhere, as I've heard. Let's see how it goes. Triumph. Let's go. Yeah, the famous kickstand, which is too long. Ah, yeah. Looks more serious than it is. Yeah, soft brakes. Way softer. Oh, but it's very smooth. Very smooth. And the rain is there in the mountains. Oh, for a small bike, very nimble.
For the rear, you really have to...
Yeah, it is like, you know, super stiff. This one is interesting. The looks and the engine don't match a little bit. It's kind of nice, like when you rev it, like when you go, it's smooth, but like this, it's like a baby toy. And the size is also nice. Okay, let's continue. Yeah, but this one like feels right away like nice and very easy to ride. Great for beginners. Nice revs. Okay. Yeah, now I get it why they're so popular. The suspension can be a bit, maybe better, a bit jumpy, like reactive, not so smooth. Nice little engine. Well done, 400. Well done. A gentleman in disguise. Very nice. Very, very nice. Where's the bobber? Yeah, the suspension is not there, like for an adventure bike, but it could be. Everything is built to the price. So, yeah, you see, the bobber is good to look at. Really good. Let's turn around. Yeah, it is torquey, even on the wrong gear, it pulls. Really nice. Okay, nice little grumpy city bike. Front feels a bit off, but maybe that's the bike itself, not the model. Generally, I'm impressed. Very, very nice bike. Yeah, for the lean and turn has something in front. Maybe it is a model, maybe not. Or maybe just this bike, but it's very nimble for town driving. Feels like something off in the front a little bit.
Yeah, I think it's tire pressure.
Yeah, because like when you try to lean or turn, like you don't know like to turn or lean, because it's like weird. It's like nice little town grumpy like nimble bike, and it's better like driven than revved, because when you rev it, it's like small engine, but when you drive it, it's nicer and has a nice pull. I mean, probably you would like run out of it quite quickly because like it has a nice one, but either you're gonna become a hooligan or you're gonna run out of juice. Yeah, actually that's a good description. Either you're gonna become a hooligan or you're gonna run out of juice and torque. And it's light. Okay, nice little scrambler. Here we are, back for the last bike. And the famous kickstand, which is like too long. Okay.